to the Met friends. And on the mix today, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine come out strong for Gracie. Yeah? Because Gracie has been talking about her for a few days now. And Maxine is not giving up. Maxine is calling out Gracie. And she has said other things about Gracie. She said that look how she is and look at Gracie. It's a lot of things that Maxine has to say about Gracie at this moment. She's talking about the curtains that she has. She's saying that maybe she went to, pick up Marcia's curtains that she left when she was moving. And it's so much more that Maxine was saying. So go and catch the video, and remember guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe on the video. What do you think should happen between Gracie and Maxine? Do you think that this topic is relevant? Do you think that they should go on against each other? Go ahead and put that in the comment section and let me see what you guys have to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe now. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
A fool, then they fool you, Gracie. Me no know what them promise you, but you need to go on right back in. Why you come out here for Gracie? In Gracie, with all of the curtain there where you go thief, a curly you thief them from. I wonder for the curtain them what curly dash you, cause curly no carry the whole line curtain them, I wonder for the curtain them what curly dash you, she go take away. She go take up. Gracie, why you go pick up all of the curtain them what curly dash way? You couldn't left them for somebody else. Mighty God, Gracie, you couldn't left them for somebody else. You go pick them up. Gracie, the curtain them, go back, go back, go give them back. Go give them back the curtain them. And the map where you borrow from the nursing home, bring it back to. Bring back the map where you borrow from the nursing home. No mix me name. Do not mix me name. You want go on down a 99, go kiss 99 ass galang down there. You been going down there, go kiss it from day one. Me not going down there, go kiss none. Go and go kiss 99 ass and leave me alone. Alright, Gracie?
Yes, I tell you. Take your PhD, your little garden and your little cooking.
Yeah. I no can't cook like me. Me no need no advice from no. You shouldn't take the same advice.
As bad as you say she is, she told you.
Who?
And you call me, you say, Gracie, the lady over shop said, do me little cooking.
Alright.
Also.
People, you know see how she lie? Upon live, Dana taught the story there, You know, see upon live, Dana taught the story there. And at the time when Dana start the story, laugh at me and Gracie in our chat. Laugh at me, do the maths. When time Dana come out and say that when me Ashanti and him and me say now come out come talk up and things like that and him come out and say me if he do me cooking and stuff like that. Me and Gracie was not talking. So Gracie, please show the people them the evidence. When me call you and tell you say shop lady say something, because Dana say it big and bold on our live. Dana said it on the live. I was not talking to Gracie. Me and Gracie was not talking. So when in your dream, Gracie what make you can't dream? So you damn too damn late and you have nightmare. You wish. And Marie, the day when this happened, the day when it happened, and Marie, I was not talking to Gracie. Me and Gracie know when they talk. Remember people, please remember. Me and Gracie was not talking because Dana come out to come defend Ashanti and say, nah, take up for Ashanti and he nah take up for me. Me and Ashanti are in friend for a long time. Maxine, you can cook. Maxine, you can garden. Maxine, you can this. Yes, but Gracie, me and you was not talking. You couldn't tell nobody. So Gracie, you drink too much. I wonder if you went to smoke one of the biggest spliff what my man when they smoke. I wonder if you was smoking one of the biggest spliff. Of course, she look at iPad for me, Da Costa. See one of my cousin come here. Of course, she look at iPad for me. But she look here for the wrong somebody. Because line and go cut it. She She did it on her public platform, Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie donna come out and said it on her platform. So in what way would I have to call Gracie? In what way would I have to call Gracie to tell Gracie that? Why sense me go call Gracie? Gracie no look no hyper for me. Go away. Gracie, why me don't call you and tell you that? Then I did it on our platform. That don't make no sense. Jesus Christ, you know, you were the girl and you laugh at me. The girl said me call her and tell her. Me? Gracie, me and you in the talk. What make leaky Gracie so lie and bad? Me tell you, say Dana say something. When Dana do everything, that Dana not tell us say no one, he not talk to me behind closed door. Dana not talking to me behind closed door. Dana afraid like a puss. Friend, I catch Dana on tape and video and something. Dana will never talk to me behind closed door. Cause she afraid. She will tell you she literally is afraid. Cause me I don't want easy piece of girl. She not tell you that, Gracie? Yeah.
I mean, I come say that.
Gracie, play the evidence.
So, me now go talk the next part.
Well, on the what next part? You know, you me Ross, you know, Gracie, they put me in a mix-up. Jesus Christ. Laugh at me. Gracie, they put me in a mix-up. Laugh at me. Gracie, they put me in a mix-up. Gracie, please play the recording with you and Lady Maxine chatting, thanks. That's all me want her do. She a put me in a mix-up, laugh at me. You know, here, Gracie, they put me in a mix-up. Gracie, you too lie. Gracie, please play the recording when me and you have that conversation there. The whole world knows me and you in the chat. The whole world knows me and you in the chat, Gracie. Gracie, how you so wicked and bad? Play the recording which part me and you when sit down they call Dana name. Please do. Please do. No, sir.
Maxine, you don't look nice. Coming for who? Barry coming for who?
You know what bun them? You know. Maxine, good evening. Do not listen to this liar. How you know she lie? She still a keep. Miss, you know, she said the girl come out yesterday, come have big life over me. Pauline, you know, she said the girl come out, come have big life over me. Man come out, come cuss me, and say no fi play live what me they see me one name they call it, you know. Then she run come now. And hear all of the story what she they tell. Every one of the story. Me know that she went live for a long time. Me know. Me know she went live for a long time, but if bold face tell the whole world that me said that to her when as bad as things may be 99, take her mouth, lapa mouth, and when come on social media with it, she ball out it on her platform then, on both YouTube and Facebook. She did ball it out there. I catch it. Yes, I catch it. But Gracie said me call. I wonder if she thinks that she had done her. Oh my God, Gracie have a dream and Gracie believes that she named Dana. Mightyful Father, no sir, this is not that good. This not stay good. Gracie believes that she named Dana. No sir. No sir, Gracie. Gracie, you think you named Dana?
Trust me, she come in and answer. Just saw me and said tonight and done.
Answer me for what?
Maxine, you don't look nice.
In your dreams.
I make them take you out on in a puppy show.
Gracie, me no want you sit down over there and they feel up yourself and they look for me pum pum. Me no want you do that. Because if you never see certain somebody dick and you have your finger and they go on so with yourself, and they go on so with yourself, listen to me, Gracie. I do not want you to sit down over there looking at my pum pum corner, because that's the only way you're going to see my pum pum. Why were you over there, Gracie? Were you on the live or on the dead live? Which one of them? Because you watch all of them. I know you watch all of them. Gracie, why were you on my pum pum corner watching my pum pum, Gracie? Gracie, you should have never been on my pum pum corner watching my pum pum. You should be in church. And that's why God beat you so bad. So bad. You understand? That is why God is beating you so bad. Left off of the pum pum corner. Me no want me pum pum corner bring you down to hell, Gracie. Leave my pum pum corner alone. Me know say you're a big old sodomite and you love do the same thing there, you know, Gracie. But me no want you watch me pum pum corner. You me no want no subscription from you. You me do not want to be watching my pum pum corner. Please get off of my pum pum corner, Gracie. Please. I'm begging you.
Good God.
And if you see our people,
Maxine, this time for me to try with you.
well, try. What's going on?
Everybody know Gracie did love money bad.
What?
I'm here trying to sell for $1,000 US, me give you free.
Gracie, you didn't give it to me free.
Even when you come back on live for me and tell people that me thief you.
Gracie, you did not give me that page free. The amount of money where you collect off of that page, you might as well when just come out right and say, Gracie, you get all computer out of the page. Gracie, me give you all computer out of the page. Gracie, check up all the money when me give you past $1,000. Gracie, don't tell nobody say you give me no free page because you sell it to me. You sell that page to me. You didn't give it to me free. Stop it. You collect all the money and until today you still they collect the money because YouTube went and fit all on pay your money because you never after me take with the information. Yeah, she said she try with me. Who this? Yes, you know, here the girl said she try with me. When you try with me, Gracie, Gracie, I don't do woman. No, Gracie, don't tell nobody, so take it back. Take it right back. What you mean you try with me? Of course I bought her a laptop. Because what happened, you know, Anne-Marie, when I got struck by Lorraine, and when I got the strike from, I get 8 strike in one day from Lorraine. When I called Dwayne and asked Dwayne for help, Dwayne said, we must tell me what to do, send me one video, and say we must make Gracie help me. Alright. Call Gracie, Gracie agreed to help me, but Gracie never have a laptop. She said she don't have a laptop. I know she have a laptop. So Gracie came out and she beg. When I send the money, I said, listen to me. The money from October, November, take it. All that money that you made from that time because she had the money. I've never had put in my information in there. The page was not fully turned over to me. The first money I got from the page, Anne-Marie, was in January, I think. I might have to go back and look. But the first money that I got was in January from the page. Gracie have all of that money. I remember saying me get the page from about very early on. So Gracie had all of that money. You understand? Gracie had all of that money. So she tell me she need a laptop. I sent her the money to buy the laptop. I tell her take what is there, and I even sent her money. So when me hear she come out still on a beg laptop, I'm like, why is Gracie still begging a laptop? Why is Gracie still begging a laptop? Because I already sent her all that money for her to go get the laptop. Right? By time I look, Gracie, they tell me say she busy, she dey go to school, she had this. Take the money, you know. Take the money. Take the money and do not buy the laptop. I'm a neighbor, me have to turn to. Me dey on live the night when me make she lose contact over the page because when she on the live the night, she was over there talking this heap of crap. And right away, the people them, me start to do it. Call Dwayne. Dwayne was on his live too. And asked Dwayne what to do. And Dwayne tell me what to do. And me contact YouTube, me and the girl. And when me contact YouTube kind of they walk us through it and stuff like that. Sent her, because through it was her email that was on there. She got the email, and right on the live she get it, and she couldn't do nothing because I am on my live doing the pan film live. She came on the live, and right away Me they stream and watching her reaction and stuff like that. Me not have to tell lie, Anne-Marie. Me have no reason to tell lie. Make Gracie go on about her business with her hungry self. Gracie, you're hungry more than me. And you're not supposed to hungry more than me because you're there in one country where you're supposed to get everything free. You're not supposed to hungry more than me. Me there at Jamaica right now, Gracie, which part me have to try find something because I don't have the money. Me have to try find something. Gracie, stop it. Gracie, go sit down and stop it. Go sit down and stop it, Gracie. But you give me page. You don't give me no page. I paid for that page. I paid more than $1,000 for that page. So don't tell anybody that you give me a page. You never give me a page. Enough people in a social media they pan page and I buy them buy. I buy them buy. You don't make me come out and call on no name because you know I no lie me I tell. Enough of you they pan you will pay for page. A whole heap of you they pan you will pay for page. I don't know it. Me not tell no lie pan you. Gracie, stop it. You never give me any page, Gracie. You sell me the damn page. And you're afraid to come out and say you sell me the page. Gracie, have more than $1,000 you collect for the page. Plus you get a laptop. Plus you get a laptop, Gracie. So stop lie. You smoke too much, Gracie. Look like you smoke now. You drink. Now you start to smoke too. You have to cut out one of them.
Oh, yeah, you ain't gonna deal with the party.
Oh, please. Oh, please.
And I could have take back a page from you.